In front of me is Doogee S Punk, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Floats. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Floats Light Float Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, hit consent and tap at the bottom left corner. Then select Got It. Click at the top left corner here and manage all of your wallpaper settings however you want to. Then click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where by clicking on one of those options. Then go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!